Good morning to all of you. Today I will discuss about final keyword in Java. So for that, I'm selecting this project sample. In this project sample, I'm selecting Java 2 package and then this class file as sample3. So we are in the sample3 class file. So final keyword can be applied to class level. So at the class level, you can apply final keyword or you can apply final to the method level or even you can apply final to the variable. Fine. So now I will apply the final keyword to the variable. So when I mention the final keyword to this variable, you cannot change its value at any cost. So there are some situations where you want the value always to remain constant. For example, pi. So pi, you always want the constant pi to remain as constant only. So here, if I try to change the variable a by adding 1, it will not accept. It will say remove the final modifier of a. So when you apply final to a variable in main method, its value is fixed. Its value just cannot be changed. Next, I will apply the final keyword to a method. To this method I have applied. So when I apply the final keyword to a method, then method overloading can be done, but method overriding cannot be done. If you see here, the same method void AI is present even here also. So this is method overloading. So I'm trying to add one parameter here in TA. Whereas here there are no parameters. So this is method overloading. So when you apply this final keyword to a method, you can do method overloading as it is, but you cannot do method overriding. So method overriding means, so if you see sample 4 extend sample 3, we are trying to extend all the features of sample 3 to sample 4. So here if you observe, I'm not able to do method overriding. But if I remove this final keyword, I'll be able to do method overriding. So that is an advantage with the final keyword. So with final keyword, you cannot do method overriding. And then finally, we'll discuss about applying final keyword to the class level, at the class level. So if I apply final keyword here and save this program, then you cannot extend this class. You cannot make a child class of this. So sample 4 is actually a child class of sample 3 and we cannot make this. So it clearly shows the error. Fine. Now, whenever you want to make a class immutable, like you don't want anyone to access this class, you can give this final keyword. So if I remove the final keyword, then I'm able to extend sample 4 extend sample 3. So that's an advantage of using final keyword. So remember students, so you can apply final keyword to the methods as well as class as well as variables. So when you apply final keyword to the variables, it remains constant. And when you apply final keyword at the method level, so you cannot do method overriding. And when you apply final keyword at the class level, the class becomes immutable. You cannot extend that class. Yeah, thank you.